What's up everyone? Joe back with Grill Joe's Barbecue, and today I got something new. I got a little present in the mail. Check it out. Let's give it the spin. We got the Monument Grills G22 for outdoor use only. I was really hoping to cook in my kitchen. Let's get this guy open. Guys, if you haven't checked out Monument Grills yet, what are you guys doing? They are a great company. They've been great to me. They'll be great to you. If you use my link in the description or my code GorillaJoe, you'll get 10% off your order on their website. You can go get yourself some grills. You can get yourself a pellet smoker. You can get yourself a charcoal grill. You can get yourself portable camping grills. You can get yourself flat tops. And something else, you can get yourself some seasonings. This chicken rub, fantastic. I love this. But let's check out what's in here. I'll put this back on the ground for a second. We got a box in a box. Look at that little guy. What we have here, you got your Monument clear view window. Ooh, it has lockers on the side for that travel mode. What do we got in here? Looks like a grease trap. There's our grill grate. As usual, the packaging is top notch. They do a great job. Got some goodies in here. Got some warning stickers. Throw those away. That is a big book for such a small grill. I feel like we could just figure this out on our own. All right, so on the bottom, we got 4 spots for some legs. Get those put on real quick. Just like that. Throw the other 3 in real quick. All right. As suspected, this is a grease catcher. Super simple, super easy to get to. Let's unlock it. Love those locks if you're traveling. Of course, you got your flame diffusers there, and one big grill grate, just like that. Now this little guy, flip it around, there's one screw that is partly out, right there. Take that out, pop that in. And that is to hold your cord while traveling. How neat is that? So as you can see, this is made for a big propane bottle for your full size. I'll detach it and show you right now, but I actually have a cook going on my Monument full-size red 4-burner right now. You can watch that up in the corner. What I'm gonna do though, the attachment is right here for that propane bottle. I'm going to take this off and get a converter to attach little bottles. So it's more like a camping size, so you don't have to bring your whole propane bottle with you when you go out camping. But just take a look at that. The design is beautiful. Everything's already put together. You got your 2 burners. You can fit quite a bit up here. Easy to access. Get those locked back down. And there you have it, the G22. We're gonna take this thing out and do some on the road cooking somewhere. We'll go camping or something, do some burgers on this. But I love this 2-burner option, and I love it that it has the clear view windows so you can also see your cooks like on their full-size ones. It's like you're working on a little mini Monument Mesa 400 right here, except you just got your 2 burners. So let's take her outside. All right guys, we're outside. It's a little windy, hopefully it's not too bad. But I got my G22 out here. I got a little table. I'm supposed to put these on plastic tables? Who knows? Cheap table though, so I'm not super worried about it. And I mean, all the heat's coming straight up, so we should be fine. I'm gonna take my propane here. I'm actually gonna be stealing the propane bottle from my red 4-burner. All right, that one's on. Oh, shoot. This is what you get when you don't read the instructions. I was saying it had that lighter for it, but these actually have like strikers on. So if you notice, if you turn it halfway, the knob kind of goes back. But if you go all the way, boom, it strikes it on. So you don't even need to have your torch. I'm gonna leave these on high for about 15 minutes, let this heat up, and I want to burn off any of the oils left from the factory. Once that all gets burned in, we're gonna throw some burgers on. All right guys, we got some frozen burgers here. Nothing fancy. I mean, we're going camping. I ain't bringing out the beef and making my own patties. I ain't got time for that. I'm camping. So we're gonna just throw these on. It's already saying it's 300 degrees in there. I can hear that sizzle. You could easily fit 6 hamburgers on here and then some dogs in the back. We're gonna close that down. It's a little windy, as you can see the stuff flying away. And even with that wind coming through that back opening, these flames are staying lit great. So those burgers get thawed out a little bit. We're gonna hit it with some of that Monument Grill's Texas beef rub. This stuff's pretty good, has a little bit of kick to it. Really like it. I can't mention enough how nice this see-through window is on all these grills. I'm just looking in here and waiting to see if those tops are defrosted enough and thawed out enough to put seasoning on it. You can just clearly see everything. Works perfect. All right, I'm gonna flip some of these and kind of get them repositioned. We have some hotter spots in the back. So another nice feature is this back part here actually comes up off the grill to block some of that wind coming in. So when you close it, there is an opening to let out some of that gas and the heat. But this blocks that wind coming straight in and hitting those grill grates. These burgers are just about done. All right, you guys don't need to see me take these burgers inside, plate them up and eat them. You've seen me make burgers way before. I just wanted to show the functionality of having a little grill like this. Oh wow, that top's not even hot. I thought this might be a little warm. Having that on for so long at max heat, not even hot up here. So super handy. You got your latches on your side. I'm gonna get a smaller propane bottle hookup for this. I'll show that in the future. I think this would be a great option for camping, like I said. That's self-lighting. You don't have to have batteries. You don't have matches. Lots of cooking space for such a small grill. So overall, I'm really happy with this. I know they sell these with flat tops also. I'm wondering if I could just get a flat top to drop into here and also have a little flat top cooker as well. But thanks for watching, everyone. I'm gonna pull these burgers off. These are looking pretty good. We're gonna go inside and have some lunch. We'll see you guys next time.